Once upon a time, in a kingdom far, far away, there lived a lovable ogre and a beautiful princess. One day, the ogre and the lady met, and they fell in love.
Whoa, whoa, back it up there, Chauncey.
It's Alistair.
Alistair? What kind of name is that? You must have got kicked a lot at school.
I am trying to tell a story.
Well, you telling it wrong. Look here. Once upon a time, there was an ogre, a princess, and a noble, handsome, gorgeous donkey.
Oh, excuse me for forgetting the donkey. So, one day the ogre and the lady met, and they fell in love.
With the donkey.
Evil forces tried to come between them, but, as the script here says, love conquers all.
And before they knew it, they was hitched. The bouquet was delicious.
They returned home from a long honeymoon to find their faithful friend, their ever-present constant companion, and irritatingly loyal donkey pal awaiting their arrival.
Alistair.
Donkey, we're back!
So soon!
What in the name of all the king's horses has been going on around here?
What's been going on? I'll tell you what's been going on. All kinds of crazy things have been going on. That's what. Get a load of this. Soldiers are trying to arrest the fairy tale creatures again. Can you believe it? We gotta rip this poster down, Shrek. And we gotta protect our friends. And Shrek, these posters ain't half of it. Look at this. Coins just floating in the air. And you gotta pick them all up, man. We're gonna need all the coins we can get. They're all over the place, too. Over here, over there, up in the air. There's some even hidden in the crates. And look at this. When you jump on these lily pads, woo, you bounce. And then we got energy bars floating in space. Why? Why are they here? I mean, they taste like rattlesnake, and they make you feel all powered up, but still, you know. Yes, that's right. Hero energy bars for the hero in everyone. Giving heroes that extra energy boost since, well, last year. It's kind of spooky. They're just hanging in midair like that. Giving me the heebie-jeebies. Oh, and by the way, we're going to far, far away for your wedding ball.
Our what?
Your wedding ball! Invitation came while you were gone. Oh, did I forget to mention that? My bad. We can't leave till you get rid of all this hoodoo voodoo. So come on, let's get a move on. Time's a wasting. We got a wedding ball to clip at the clop too. Go to it, boy.
Oh, okay. I guess I need to pack.
Oh, and one other thing.
Donkey!
I really haven't had the chance to tidy up with all these bright, tinkly distractions. What was that?
Donkey!
Now, come on, Shrek, don't get hung up on details. You gotta go get that poster down, man, and grab all the coinage on the way. And we gonna need buku bankroll for far, far away, so make sure you get them all. To jump on the lily pad, hit the control key or your right mouse button while you're running. Walking through water really kind of slows things down. It'd be way faster if you just jump across the lily pad. Come on, hop to it. And check out your far quad punching bag. Give it the old 1, 2, wham, bam, hoo-ha, chuh, and rake in your reward. Punch his face by clicking your left mouse button. If you see a high ledge that's just out of reach, run up to it and you'll climb up automatically. Yeah, it's weird, isn't it? If you jump here, you can grab a hold of them vines. All right, looking sharp. Now use your left and right arrows to shimmy along the vine. When you're ready to drop off, hit the down arrow. To make it over to that dilapidated bridge, you'll need to do a double jump. Just click your right mouse button twice. Here's a trick to double jumping. Click the right mouse button once to jump, and then when you're at the highest point of your jump, click the right mouse button again. You'll see it's easy when you get the hang of it. Hey, with a little practice, you'll be double jumping in no time. See all those crates? You can smash them to toothpicks by clicking your left mouse button.
Ogre's got the goodie!
Oh, look, there's a 4-leaf clover. But you're gonna have to get that later. Can't reach it from here, believe me. Jumping on that sparkly lily pad will fly you right over those nasty briars. Punch through those boards with your left mouse button. Keep your eyes peeled for those hero bars, Shrek. They'll give you a health boost. And they're nuclear. Uh-oh, watch out. Those briar patches are nasty. Those thorns will hurt you if you get too close.
Hey, I'm Roy, your save fairy. If you see me flying around, run up to me and I'll save your game. Really sparks your sense of wonder, don't it? You're saved.
Stand in front of this lever and hit your left mouse button to pull it. Break through those boards to get that four-leaf clover. Usually you have to hunt around in secret areas to find them, and they're not easy to get to, but once you do, they'll increase your health capacity. So go for it.
A four-leaf clover! Am I a lucky guy or what?
Shrek, look! It's an FGM drive-thru where they sell magic potions and whatnot. They've been popping up everywhere. You've seen the commercials, right?
Come on over to FGM Potions and Notions for the finest in saucical paraphernalia. Introducing Frog Nog Supreme. Watch your enemies croak before your eyes. 40 weeks sleeping gas for a knockout of a knockout.
May cause headache and limb loss.
Or take their breath away with the repellent to repel all others. B.O. Noxious. Make big problems into microscopic solutions with itsy bitsy dust.
Now guaranteed 2% lizard eyeball free.
Having a bad hair day? Unsightly blemishes? Try my See Me Not Invisibility Cream.
Now available in new visible jars.
And let's not forget love's sweetest delight. One taste will melt the most brittle of hearts.
Supplies are limited. Please call ahead.
They don't call me fairy godmother for nothing.
Visit your local FGM Potion and Notion drive-thru while supplies last. FGM, no first, no words, all items and funds. Copyright Fairy Godmother Enterprises Limited. Corporate Committee re-electing Herald. Existence of any advertised products in this ad not a guarantee.
We should stock up for the road.
Welcome to FGM Potions and Notions. Enchanting ideas and bewitching notions. You need to get some more money, pal. Think there's a job opening here if you're interested in an application.
Yeah, here's that rotten poster I was telling you about. Click your left mouse button to rip it down. Leave no poster untorn. Rumor is somebody's offering a reward for people that rip down 3 of these posters. Hey, you should start a collection. Probably be worth something one day. You did it, Shrek! Everything's back to normal. Who ordered the carriage? I don't have to tip this guy, do I?
I did. Far, far away is so very far away. Everything is packed and ready to go. Ready to meet my parents?
Sure.
Don't worry. They'll love you.
Yeah, Shrek, they'll love you. I mean, I love you. What's there not to love? We're going on an adventure. We're going on an adventure. What could be more fun than going on a really, really, really long road trip with me?
A root canal? Having my nose hairs plucked out one by one?
Are we there yet? How about now? I was just kidding. Seriously though. Now? You know what I've been thinking? We should start a band. Hey, that reminds me. Who brought over?
Shrek, doesn't this reek of an ambush?
Actually, that might be me. That wedding invitation's kind of coming back on me. Sorry.
Donkey!
Yeah, sorry, Shrek. Hey, look! That dude just ran off with our wheel!
I'll go take a look.
Shrek, please don't go out there! You heard what she said. Something ambush.
Relax, Donkey. I'm an ogre. Unless you know of a four-legged beast who could carry all our luggage.
Shrek, get out there and find that wheel, and hurry! And don't worry, trees fall all the time, every day. You'll be fine.
Bandits! Shrek, let me help!
No, please don't leave me. I'm really losing it here. Besides, Shrek can handle it. What? Click on your left mouse button when you want to punch something. If bandits hit you, they'll steal your coins. Just clock them good and get your money back. Click your left mouse button twice to do a double punch. Left mouse 2 times. Come on, Shrek.
Worked out.
Click on the left mouse button 3 times to do a combo punch. Don't hold back with these guys. Give them what for.
This will be ours now, lads. And this is just our first run.
Yeah, get him, Shrek.
Come on, Shrek! Wallop him!
like candy from a baby.
No, you gotta get the bandits before you can get the wheel.
Look alive, stupid lumpy.
Pardon me. Excuse me.
You wanna show them who's boss? Click the left mouse button 3 times quickly to do a super wham bam combo move.
Good times! Maybe that was a little harsh.
You need to get our wheel back so we can get a move on. Ooh, Shrek, you showed them. Yeah, those bandits didn't stand a chance against you. First it was bam, then it was kapow, then it was I can't feel my legs, I can't feel my legs.
Well, the wheel's back on. Guess we can resume this magical journey.
Hey, Shrek, you looking a little green around the gills, man. Here, try a box of these. Maybe we can find some more of that stuff later. Now we just have that roadblock in the way.
Could anything else go wrong today?
Now, Shrek, for every problem, there's a solution. Say, you know, those logs look kind of weak and crackly. I bet you could combo punch our way out of here. Come on, hop to it, big guy. Now that's what I call dead wood. Let's make it like a tree and get inside our onion carriage. Far, far away, here we come. 4 wheels and all.
Oh yeah, here we come all right.
Finally, our heroes came to far, far away. Fiona's parents were quite curious to see what their new son-in-law looked like. Needless to say, Shrek failed to meet the royal expectations.
Man, this is taking forever. Hey, if people wanted to read, they'd buy a book, all right?
To make a long story short, the king and Shrek sniped at each other over dinner.
Making Fiona all sad.
And suddenly, a fairy godmother appeared.
Yeah, you know what, Alistair? I got it from here. She's all like, oh, you can be beautiful again. Just marry my son, Prince Charming. But of course, Fiona's having none of it. Why? 2 words. Shrek. So what does this nasty crone do? She goes to threaten the king instead.
And the next morning, the king invited Shrek on a hunt. But all was not as it seemed.
I, of course, smelled a rat right away. So I figured I'd tag along, you know, just to be on the safe side.